Okay guys, welcome back to another F-150 series. If you have seen my channel at all, I tend to do a lot of work on this Ford, but I hope to save you a lot of money. So today, we are now throwing the 1450 code, which is a very known code for the F-150s, which is the Canister Purge Valve has failed. Essentially, it's saying stuck open when it's not calling for it. So essentially, super easy fix. But if you take it in to a dealer, they're going to be the most expensive. You're looking anywhere from $600 to $1,000 for anywhere for I think like a $20 to an $80 part, depending on where you get it at. We picked up ours from O'Reilly's, like 70 bucks total. 10-minute fix. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started and hopefully make it nice and easy for you to see. Okay, so first things first. Alright, go ahead and take the little oil fill cap out. Alright, and then this whole piece here lifts up and out towards you. Once you get the cover off, this is connected to the top. Here's the new one. So this will connect here, and then this will push on to a little stud that sticks out right here. And then you see the orange tag back here. That back there is your solenoid, your electrical connections in the back, and then you got your other little plug back there. Undo the electrical connection. Kind of hard to get back there. There. Gotta get that green tab all the way up. It's hard doing it one-handed. So let's do this when we get it up out of the way. Alright, I'll pull it up and kind of get to get to it a little better. Honestly, the hardest part are these clips. Once you get the clips pulled up, the thing pulls right out. This one's pretty identical to the OEM one. So, put it back underneath. It's easiest if you go ahead and connect up here. They just push on, click. The back one will push on. You got to push the green tab back down. Pull it, make sure it's good. Go ahead and put your electrical connection on. And then this tab here, push it on. And push, pull, tug. Make sure everything's tight. Everything's good. And then there's a little bracket right back here where my thumb's at moving. This little guy here, right here, sits down in there and holds it all tight. You can find a slot. There we go. So that's on, clip down. It's all on, that's on, and that's it. Now we put the cover back on. Go ahead and get the oil cap back in before you drop a nut down in it. Then hand start the nuts to it. Okay, well, my check engine light is gone now, but that's because I just went ahead and reset it, erased it. More than likely, if you put the new one on, new part on, the light will still be there, but once you start driving, it's gonna eliminate itself. It'll be in the history, but the check engine light should go off on its own. This part can be intermittent, so it can come on sometimes. You have 1450 and all of a sudden, a few days later or after you fill up again, it'll be on. But yeah, I went ahead and erased mine to not deal with it. If it comes back on, then I'll look into it again, but everything should be good. But guys, if you would, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next F-150 repair. See ya.